Creaking sound when passing speed bumps. Generally, the balance rubber sleeve lacks lubrication. Solve it without spending money. Take off the balance rubber sleeve. Spread some butter. Problem can be solved. Today, I will share with you how to solve several abnormal noises in the car. Watch out! In the future, if your car encounters this kind of problem, it will not be cheated. When turning around, the chassis rattles and rattles. Generally, there is a problem with the outer ball cage. Replace it with a new one for a few bucks. Problem can be solved. Very noisy when running at high speed. Like flying a plane, the noise won't change even when the neutral gear is engaged. A few bucks to replace a tire bearing can solve the problem. There is a creaking sound when the steering wheel is turned on the spot. Replace the flat bearings on a shock absorber for a few bucks. Problem can be solved. Squeaking noise when starting cold car. Usually the belt is old. Spend a few dollars on a new belt. Problem can be solved. Turning the steering wheel on the spot makes a creaking sound. Usually there is a problem with the universal joint under the steering wheel. Replace it with a new one for a few bucks. Problem can be solved. How is it not very simple? Follow me and learn some car knowledge every day.